It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style. It's home style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mahini Adams. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new to my channel, I just want to say it's been a long time since I've done a video, and just to share a transparent moment, I am a new mom, and I'm still dealing with postpartum, and so I just kind of had a lot of things I had to work through. And yeah, I just want to thank a lot of my family and friends who encouraged me to keep making videos, because it's actually something that I really enjoy doing. But just wanted to say that's why I haven't made videos in a while, but I'm going to have some more coming to you guys. So thank you for being so patient and still just staying with me. So today we're going to make homemade lotion, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. And we have breast milk, coconut oil, Candela wax, and we also have vitamin E oil. Alright, so let's get started. First we have a nice pot of water that's boiling, so we're going to go ahead and melt our wax. So we have a tablespoon and a half of Candela wax, and I chose Candela wax as a substitute for beeswax because my son's actually allergic to beeswax. But if your baby is not, or you're not allergic to beeswax, you can just go ahead and use that. But I went ahead and used this Candela vegan wax flakes. So I'm going to use a teaspoon and a half of the wax flakes. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a half a cup of coconut oil. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pot. So you can use grapeseed oil or even olive oil, but I just chose to use coconut oil because I love the way coconut smells. So we're going to let that melt, and while that's melting, I'm going to go ahead and add 5 to 6, maybe 7 drops of vitamin E oil. I'm going to add 5 drops, or maybe 6, we'll see. 1, 2, 5, and 6. So we're going to add vitamin E oil just to add some extra moisture to the lotion, and that's part of the other reason why I used coconut oil as well, because I love how it moisturizes the skin. I've used this before on my baby, and especially after a bath, you notice that if you apply it directly to the skin while it's a little moist, it really makes the skin super soft and also very less irritated. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in a little bit. Just wait for that wax to completely melt. Looks like it's almost there. Check back on it in a few minutes. Okay, so that was about 2 minutes. It really doesn't take long for that wax to melt. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. So I have 4 ounces of breast milk, and I'm going to whisk it in. I'm going to keep whisking until it starts to thicken. Okay, so I went ahead and I transferred it to a jar, and as you can see, it's already starting to thicken, and it's so soft, like it's silky smooth. I just washed my hands, and after putting some of this on, because I kind of spilled a little bit, And my skin is so soft, so I really cannot wait to start using this on my son. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for about an hour so it can set. Okay, so I did the coconut oil one, and now I'm curious to see how it'll be with olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and try with olive oil. So I have my 1.5 tablespoons of wax. And I have a 1/2 cup of olive oil. So we're gonna go ahead and melt that down. So we're gonna go ahead and give that 2 to 3 minutes to melt down. And I think the only difference with olive oil is that the scent obviously won't smell as nice as coconut oil, but then that's where the essential oil will come into play. If you were to use lavender or eucalyptus, I think I actually have some lavender oil. So first I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E oil. Has some lavender drops that I'm gonna go ahead and add 2. Yep. Okay, so that's all melted down. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. And I can already smell that lavender oil. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Take it off the stove. The 2 ounces or 1/2 cup of breast milk. I'm going to start to whisk that in. And it already is thickening. Alright, so this one is way more fluffy than the coconut. And honestly, I think if you were to use grapeseed oil instead of olive oil, it will be even more fluffy than this. So this is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to another jar, and there we are. This looks more like cream, and it smells really good. I would store it in the fridge just because, for me, since it has breast milk in it, I wouldn't want it to be stored at room temperature. But it's completely up to you. It usually lasts for me for about a month because I use it so much. Not even a month. But it's so good on your skin. That concludes my video. Thanks for tuning in. And please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon to get notifications of my new videos that I'll be posting. Feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any suggestions of things that you would like to see me make, and I'll go ahead and see if I can get those recipes going. Alright, have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.